Alrighty then. Well, okey doke. Alright, everybody. We're just gonna do something simple today. We're gonna grill out some hot Italian bratwurst or sausages or whatever you want to call them. I don't know. Simple. Just gonna do it. Let's have fun. Yeah. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken the sausages and put them in some aluminum foil, 2 layers, and I've formed a little boat. I guess you'd call it a packet. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this beef broth and just do that, make them happy. Cover them all up. And then we're gonna add some black pepper, much as you want. Lots and lots of garlic. I mean, garlicify it. I love garlic. Onion, can't go wrong with onion. Lots and lots of onion. Not going to add anything else because those are already hot, spiced. Not going to add any salt because that beef broth has salt, and so does the sausages. Now I'm going to wrap this up and make a packet out of it, and we'll get back with it. Stay tuned. Alright folks, here we go. Charcoals are ready. Sausages are inside there, and that beef broth and onion and garlic. Oh yeah, let's get this going. Yeah. So here's what we're gonna do. Put those in there. Just like that right there. Woo, that's hot. I'm telling you what now. Come on. Move those around a little bit. Get them kind of sort of like that right there. Put that back over there. And then we're going for the stovepipe. This is a 7-inch stovepipe. I've cooked some other things in it. But what we're going to do, we're going to sit it right on those coals. Just like that. Just like that. Alright. And then there's our sausages. So you grab that and you put this inside there. That's right. Just like that. Oh, it's already sizzling because that's hot. Alright. Hang tight. It's going to be good. Alright, folks. It's been about another, I don't know, 5 minutes. It's pretty dang hot. What we're going to do, one more time, we're going to flip this back over. Yeah, man, I wish you could smell that. But here shortly, we're going to top it off with good stuff too. Alright, keep on hanging on. Alright, and here we are. It's been about another, I don't know, 5-10 minutes. What we're going to do is going to go ahead and take this off. Sit it over here. Ooh, that's hot. So it can cool off. Right. Just like that right there. And we're going to get the rest of this, set it up. We're going to finish it off. It's going to be good. Hang tight. Alright, so we just took that off. That's chilling out right there. We're going to put the grill grate back on here. Just like that. We're going to take that out of there. Just like this right here. Hang on just a second. Let's get it out of there if we can. Woo! Tell you what now. We're going to set it up on here. Directly on hot coals. Going to unfold all this. Take a looky. Oh yeah, look, look, look. Isn't that nice? Now we're going to finish it off. You ready? Hang tight. Look at that. Look at that. Woo! All right. Get back with you here shortly. All right, and here we go. We're doing the finishing touch on this. Those are pretty much done, but we're going to take the rest of that beef broth. Now these are now sitting on direct coals, direct heat. We're just going to pour the rest of that in there because we used the first half in the first part. Right. Now, woo, check this out. Salsa, come on. That ain't paste picante sauce. That stuff's made in New York City. Remember that commercial? Right. And now, for the finishing touch. I know, right? Nacho taco blend, shredded cheese. It's already got spices in it. So what we're gonna do is cover all that too. We're building layers of flavors. See all that? Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Spread that all around there. Now, that's over direct coals now. So now what we do, take this, put that on top, finish it off. And that is gonna be so good. Oh yeah, hang tight. All right, folks, and here we are. It's been about another, I don't know, we keep going 8-10 minutes. Let's take us a look. Oh yeah, is that not awesome looking? Those sausages down underneath there with all that stuff on it. Now what I like to do, because I love garlic, I'm just going to sprinkle that again with some garlic powder. Oh wow. And I love onion, so I'm going to do that again with some onion powder. Oh, it's boiling. I don't know, I wish you could smell it. But yeah, buddy, let's take us a look. Woo! Oh man alive. Those sausages underneath all that cheese, look at that. Hey, what are you doing down there? Yeah, let's cover that back up. But there you have it. Hot Italian bratwurst or sausage, whatever you want, whichever one you want to call it. Covered in all kind of good stuff. Alright, if you like my channel, please subscribe, hit that like button, and also hit that bell. That way you'll be notified every time I come out with something new. Till next time, peace out, have fun, be safe, and enjoy life.